Setting up for beats, we want an imprinted spine with our tailbone still on the ground. Engage the T-zone as you inhale to lift one leg to tabletop position, exhale the other to tabletop. Now you're going to place the hands on the knees. You're going to inhale, engage the T-zone, and then exhale, curl the body up, extend the legs and open the feet. Inhale, open the legs, exhale, beat 3 times. Inhale, return. Exhale, curl up. Inhale, open. Exhale, beat 3 times. Inhale, return. Now, as you perform this movement, you want to maintain that imprinted spine. You want to keep that tailbone on the ground. Keep engaging the T-zone. And just a tightening through the ribs. So that's exhale, curl up. Inhale, open. Exhale, beat 3 times. Inhale, return. One last time. Let's exhale, curl and extend. Inhale, open. Exhale, beat 3 times. Then inhale, return.